Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Disengage the fasteners. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF4030 filter into the housing frame. Reinstall the frame by aligning the air hose together and then lower the housing so that the bottom tabs go into their catch. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, re-engage the fasteners. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.